Hello. Hey, where's the employee, like, government parking section?
Oh, employees?
Yeah.
So...
For the courthouse.
Depends. Oh, for the courthouse.
Or, you know, just the administration.
So, management is over there.
Over there?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Thank you.
You can, you can park anywhere. You just have to, obey the signs.
Thanks. Yeah, I appreciate you. Thank you. Obey the signs. Reserve parking by permit only. Ventura County Ordinance number 40035. Uh-oh, who's got the Sadies? The Sadie at the end? Dang. Got the E550 Mercedes at the end? Got the Suburban right here. Uh-oh.
You're recording me, so I'm recording you.
Ah, go for it. I encourage it. Yeah, get your phone out.
Okay, cool.
Cool.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Have a good day.
What's your name?
It doesn't matter.
You're recording my license plate? That's privacy.
I mean, it's in the shot. Yeah, that's true.
So that's privacy.
Oh, is that privacy?
Yeah.
And you
is
work
privacy.
here? You're upper management here at the Ventura County Government Center? Wow. Know your rights. That's the only advice I have for you. Know your rights. Jeez. Upper management Karen? I'm not gonna check her VIN. Paul. You're recording me, so I'm gonna record you too. Cool. Do it. I don't care. Shit. Oh no. Please don't.